be thankful.
Ito Sir Dom, no? Speaking of mga barkada, di ba, naging barkada yung si Rico yan. Ano yung reaction niya na yung parang pamangkin niya ata, parang kahawig niya and then is doing showbiz din.
Si Alfie.
Open na rin siya sa show.
Well, I heard about it. I see them. He's from Southridge, the same school as my son.
Wow.
Kamukha eh. Kahit nung
Pag nakismile.
kamukha. But syempre, it's a different... sabi nga nung bata, parang I saw the interview. Lahat naman ayaw natin ng shadow nung
Sa showbiz.
nung
Original. Oo.
So, bigyan natin ng chance yung bata ipakita yung kung anong meron siya.
Tama.
Yun lang naman yung akin. Kumbaga, enjoy it first, Alfie, and for me, lahat naman kami, nung nag-usap kami ng tito mo, ni Rico, nag-commercials muna kami, and then we started trying
Small role.
small roles, and then embrace what you have. Embrace the opportunity. There's nothing wrong with it, but we're always here anytime, just in case you want to ask. I think that's basically my role in this business. I'm here for the kids. I'm here for my fellow actors. Tulungan.
Tsaka hindi madali po dito, Sir Dom, diba? Parang talagang kailangan mo i-workout din.
Lahat naman. Parang
ng work.
they always say kasi showbiz ganito.
Glam.
Sa totoo lang, mahirap yung trabaho namin kasi it's hard to explain, mahirap. Pero pag tinignan mo yung paligid natin din, if you go outside and mulat mo yung sarili mo, mahirap din ang trabaho ng mga grab driver. Mahirap din ang trabaho ng mga nag-aangkas.
Lahat.
Diba?
It's
So,
just a matter of diba?
ano lang, i-level lang natin kumbaga kung ano yung hirap na pinag-uusapan natin.
Ito Sir Dom, no, mga Kapuso stars, parang ang dami nyo parang kailangan, kumbaga may mga A-listers din kasi dito na parang gusto mong maka-work. Just like Marian Rivera.
Oh, definitely. I met her noong 2020, nung last gala.
Wow.
Kasi nilapitan ako ni Dong, kinamusta ako, ganyan. Tapos, she's really beautiful. Beautiful. Ano siya Diyos ang mukha. Grabe, diba? So, marami. Ako naman, hindi naman namimili. Kumbaga, it's always a blessing to work with other co-actors.
How about Alden Richard?
Alden, Dennis, who was the best actor.
Ang dami pa, no, sir?
Alam mo, natutuwa lang ako nung gala. My first two galas, 23, 24, lahat na nakakasalubong kong bata at veteran actors, kahit newscaster, lahat ng lapit nila sa akin. Hindi ako nagbibiro. Hello po, ako po si ganito. I hope to work with you soon.
That's melting.
Yeah, it's something that, my God, they're welcoming me
Open up.
with open arms. And
They want to work with you.
January 13, 320. So,
And they want to work with you talaga.
so parang kahit newscaster, yung mga newscaster, no, it's good to
Mga
see
unang
you.
hirit, ayan.
Yeah, it's good to see you.
Oh my
finally.
God.
Ganyan. Not, hindi naman work with you, but they're welcoming me.
Or seeing you sa mga guesting. Ganun.
I'm just amazed with how they open their arms to
Sir Dom, ilang years ka na sa showbiz?
if I'm not mistaken, this is my 27th.
Oh my God, 27, 3 years.
And never in my wildest dreams that I dreamt of being in this business.
Oh my God. Because you're destined to be here and
Ano na yun, parang
ikaw yan eh.
Dito tayo dinila ng Diyos.
Yeah.
Actually, nagalit ang daddy ko nung nalaman niya nag-artist ako.
Nung young, ano ka pa?
He didn't talk to me for 8 months. He didn't talk to me for 8 months. When he knew about na, parang pinag-aral kita, pero... artista ka
Ganun.
pala.
Look at you now, di ba? Very successful. May dream role ka pa ba, Sir Dom?
Ako, I don't believe in dream roles. It's always whatever's given to you, just do justice. Enjoy it, embrace it, and do justice.
Yan ang Sir Dom. Kaya invite natin everyone mga kapuso to watch Prinsesa ng City.
Yes, thank you. Happy New Year to everyone, mga kapuso. At iniimbitahan po namin kayo, January 13 na po, 3:20 p.m. Dito lang po sa GMA
Afternoon
Prime.
Ayan. Everyone, Sir Dom, thank you.